Montana is a place where the horizon seems endless, a spectacular blend of vast prairies, imposing mountains, and mesmerizing rivers. You can easily find cattle and horses grazing in open pastures against a backdrop of rolling hills and mountain ranges. Wildlife is plentiful and recreational opportunities are pristine. In Big Sky Country, nature's beauty and boundless spirit come together in a spectacular display. Our Montana office has an established network of investors and landowners across the United States, providing clients with access to the most valuable properties and unparalleled industry knowledge of these lands' investment value. The Schmidt Ranch near Bozeman offers an unparalleled recreational retreat spanning nearly 1,600 acres. This property captures the essence of Montana's rugged beauty with rolling aspen hills, evergreen forests, meadows, and creeks, all with breathtaking mountain views. Jefferson River Homestead Ranch features the Jefferson River winding gracefully through a lush valley adorned with fertile soil, sweeping mountain vistas, dramatic coulees, and a diverse population of wildlife. With a prime location near Missoula, Checkpoint Ranch is undoubtedly one of the finest ranches in the state. With unobstructed 360-degree mountain, meadow, and lake views at every turn, it would be difficult to find a more picturesque ranch anywhere. The S Ranch estate encompasses 161 deeded acres, with an additional 971 shared acres with many recreational activities. The estate features luxurious improvements and additional building opportunities. Elk Meadows Ranch in southwest Montana combines significant agricultural productivity, recreational opportunities, and breathtaking natural beauty. The area is abundant with wildlife, and waterfowl thrive in the ranch's irrigated fields. Oxbow Preserve is a recreational dream you must witness yourself to appreciate. The property consists of 220 shared deeded acres with over 1.5 miles of both sides of the East Gallatin River and views of the Bridger Mountains. Check out all of our properties for sale at fayranches.com and contact us today to help find your Montana property you can enjoy for years. Fay Ranches. Invest and enjoy.